Anxiety is contagious, and yet so is calm. Given this, we need to figure out who is a calming influence in our days. Who, what, where encourages calm in our lives? What people do you surround yourself with that can be a calming influence? Is it a person that you need to call on the phone? Is it reaching out via an email to feel more connected to another person that encourages calm in your life? We need to surround ourselves with calm when anxiety abounds. So that is what we're going to try to call into our lives today. Calm is also contagious. Deep breath in and exhale as you roll your shoulders back and down. With your eyes closed before we start today, bring to mind an image of a go-to practice that you find very calming. Your eyes are gently closed. Your forehead is relaxed. In your mind, see yourself surrounded with your calming practice. Is it reading a book? Is it being with a certain friend, partner? Is it being in a certain environment? What is a go-to that you can turn to at a time of anxiety? Deep breath in and release it. Bring both of your hands to your chest, palms against your chest, feeling the support of your hands and the support that calm can give us. Bring that image to your mind one more time, your go-to practice. Deep breath in and release. Drop your hands down and take them in front of you. Palms are up, looking forward. Inhale as you take your fingertips to your shoulders, and exhale as you push your palms down. Flip your palms up. Bring your fingertips to your shoulders. Exhale as you imagine yourself pushing your anxiety away, flipping your palms up, inhaling calm as your fingertips come to your shoulders. Flip your palms, pushing anxiety away one more time, exhaling. Getting your go-to practice one more time in your mind's eye and feeling the calm that it evokes.